I'm feeling high.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Alright, right now I'm gonna show you how to hook up to a trailer, hook up the airlines, hook up to the kingpin, raise the landing gear, and get the trailer hooked up to the tractor. So we'll go pick up some supplies and deliver it to the good old people in the US of A. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and that's that. Alright, let's go. So if I want to go pick up this trail, I'm gonna pick up this trail right here. Get this. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up that trailer. Right? It's basically like lining up a regular car to back into a parking spot, because right now I don't have a trailer or anything underneath me. So let's go ahead and back right onto the spot. You want to line up the tires with the trailer. Make sure you're put good. So it looks like the trailer's a little bit low, so get out and raise the damn landing gears, because like in the last video I left, I told you to leave like about a ½ an inch, but some of these dudes don't know how to just do that simple one thing. So we're gonna go ahead and raise that on up, raise the trailer up so I can get underneath it, which is really hard. There ain't no other empty trailers out here. So most likely, this one's sitting here because no one decided to raise the landing gear up. So if something like that happens, you want to put it into the lowest gear possible. That way, you can raise it up. So should be using two hands, but alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this camera off because I need to use two hands. Alright, peace. Alright, take two. We're gonna raise up the suspension, the air suspension, so when that lifts up, that metal part gets underneath the trailer, kind of like gets the trailer high enough so I could scoop underneath it. I had to raise up the, there we go. Slide on underneath there to smoothly hook up to the kingpin. Hear that click. Put yourself in a drive, do a little tug test. Trailer not going nowhere. Pull your air brakes. Get them safety gloves on. And get back to business. It's a little bit muddy out here, so I'm gonna watch my feet. It's color coordinated. So you got the blue airline, blue electric, pigtail, socket, emergency red airline, emergency red. You always want to check, see if that pin is hooked in securely to the fifth wheel. See, it hooked up underneath it. At least that much room. You can even put less. For you to just easily put it into the high gear and just crank it up smooth. Now while you done went from the airlines and the fifth wheel all the way around the front, you're doing your pre-trip. Make sure it ain't nothing hanging or missing. And your mud flaps, your tires are good. You know, everything on the front end is good. All your lights are good. Make sure these are good. Full of air. Ain't nothing hanging from underneath the trailer. And yeah, just walk around. Make sure everything's intact. It's a big old puddle right there. But that's what these good old Red Wings is for. Yeah. That's pretty much it. So once you get that all done, you should be ready to good go. Alright. So with that all said, let's get on the road and let's get right to it. Peace, everybody. Have a good day.